unpredictability. The milkman, the paper boy, evening TV. Did I get delivered here? Somebody tell me, please. This whole world confusing me. Clouds as mean as you've ever seen. Ain't a bird who knows you're true. Then a little voice inside you whispers, don't sell your dreams so soon. Everywhere you look, there's a heart, a hand to hold on to. Everywhere you look, there's a face of somebody who needs you. Everywhere you look, when you're lost out there and you're all alone, life is waiting to carry you home. Everywhere you look, everywhere you look,
Hi guys! We came to the brewery district to get some beer, right?
So that's what you're gonna see. You're gonna see us getting some beer. Stop number 1 for the day. Quick detour. Reaction on our first sip.
Like it. Let's get your reaction.
Tastes like wine. Definitely tastes like wine.
That's it?
It's good flavor though. I can drink it. I can definitely drink it. Very sweet. Not as dry as what she normally likes. Has a good body to it. Very solid. Not liquid down, watered down like normal wines might be. Cheaper wines.
So what are you, an expert?
Coloration's very great. With my sunglasses on, I can definitely tell that it's red wine.
But you're colorblind.
It's like a buttery nipple. Very delicious. So what do we learn?
To beat up Kirk.
No, this winery
They
produces
their wine there, but they get the grapes to come.
They pick up the grapes
Yeah.
and very
They make
fresh,
it
very
there.
fresh city style brewing and
This is our next stop.
Juanita with the rare Rick and Morty mural in the background. We're down some like Wynwood type area. This is the brewery district, so as you guys already seen, we've been on some brewery stuff. Look at this lager.
I like this one.
Oh yeah? Too bad you can't really pet it.
That's brewed.
What about this one? That's pretty official. All the official art. We
that one's pretty.
really appreciate art around here.
I can give it a kiss.
Young Money.
Yeah.
This is what we're doing. Walking back alleyways to get to the next brewery.
Can I sit up there?
Because we don't give no fucks.
Hi guys. Day 4. 4 or 5?
You think I know? Maybe 4?
I'm not sure which day, but today's wine day.
We're in Napa Valley.
Cheers.
What do you guys think?
It's good.
Got a little bite to it. It's not bad.
Yeah, I got some bite to it. Yep. Don't be on full with this stuff. We'll still get it. Yeah, I'm not mad at this situation.
Definitely tastes like a white wine though.
Because you might not get another shot.
Fancy. Wow.
Look at the flowers.
Look at the flowers.
So pretty. Look at the flowers.
Hi guys. That's a science lab. JK Adventures, hitting up the wineries.
Our souvenirs.
Smell greenery
For sure.
with the fam jam. Super beautiful. I love these. Love this type of stuff and adventures that we do.
Do that. It's
So what happens when you go to the winery and you have too much wine? Yeah. Animal style. Cause I'm an animal. Roar.
When your girlfriend makes you carry all the bags. Do you feel like a celebrity?
I feel like a slave.
Hey, Kirk. Can I ask you a couple questions?
No.
What are you doing out here in San Fran?
Moving.
Where are you off to next? When's the next big game?
Next week.
This week?
Next week.
You playing or not?
Nah. Left bench.
Alright, talk to you next time.
Thank God.
Done. Our vacation's over. We're finished. We're gonna go home now on this 6-hour flight. Hope you guys liked the video, so don't forget to share it and subscribe to our channel. Bye! Hi guys, it's Juana from JK... What was it?
It's your own name.
Hi guys, it's Juana from JK Adventures, and today I'm bringing you our very first unboxing video.
Woo! What are we unboxing?
We are unboxing a purse that we purchased today from the one and only Saint Laurent.
Not sponsored.
Yeah, not sponsored, I wish. So we're gonna first open this little tape right here that they put so your bag don't open. So you just wanna gently pick that up and pull it back, and then this just pops right up and it just pops open. And inside that bag we have another bag.
The dust bag.
Yeah, you always need one of those. This is what it looks like. Should have probably took this off to make it look cuter, but it's a little belt bag. Has a little zipper in the back. Get open. Boom. Put your stuff in. It's very unique. It has all these hearts on it, and this like pops out.
It's proud.
Yeah, the other ones were like just like pressed in. I'm glad I got this one and not the other one. Then you just open it, and boom, some paper. We're gonna leave that in there because we're gonna go on the airplane and we don't want it to get smushed. So that was my first unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.